Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to today's assembly. Just before we start the assembly today, Harry's got something he wanted to tell you all.
Hi everyone, it's my birthday today!
It's Harry's birthday today. As you can see by the big 10 banner, he is 10 today.
10.
He is 10, Finn, he is 10. Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye!
Right, so today we are going to talk a little bit about French Day. Mrs. Clowes has put lots and lots of stuff, and I've already seen lots of your videos and things you've done. Grace has made croissants, I've seen Emmerich has made Eiffel Tower, but lots of other things happened as well already on Dojo today, and it is French Day, which is brilliant. So I'm not going to talk too long on my assembly today because Mrs. Clowes has done an assembly. I will try and put the link onto the YouTube channel later today. I haven't got that at the moment, but the assembly is being put onto Class Dojo. So I'm only going to do a very short assembly. I'm going to carry on with the France assembly and the French assembly tomorrow. So I'm not going to spend ages today talking about it. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about France. And as always, this is on the website. And I'm only going to go through the first two slides, and then tomorrow we're going to extend the French assembly a little bit. So France is a country in Europe, and it shows you on the PowerPoint whereabouts it is. It has a population of 62.2 million. That was in 2018. The capital is Paris, and their currency is the euro, and their official language is French. And hopefully today you're going to learn some French words and do some French at home, which will be great. So you can learn about it. And there is the French flag, and it shows exactly where Paris is, which is the capital. The French flag is made up of three colours, blue, white and red. It is also known as the tricolour. The three colours represent freedom, equality and brotherhood. So blue is for freedom, white is for equality and red is for brotherhood as well. So there is the French flag. Now, the next part of the PowerPoint are some famous parts of landmarks in France. So I'm going to let you have a look at those today. Tomorrow we're going to talk through those. The Eiffel Tower is there, Mont Saint-Michel is there, the Alps, the Arc de Triomphe, lots and lots of different famous landmarks in France. So you can find out about some of those today, maybe find out about Bastille Day and other things about France in today. But I'm going to stop there. It's not a long assembly today. I just want to say good morning, have a great French day, and now you need to go on and wait for Mrs. Clowes to put on today's French assembly. Have a great day everyone, and I will see you very soon. Bye.